What's up, traders? Welcome to another C-Space trading video. As always, my subscribers welcome. And if you've been following along, I've been doing these small account challenge, trying to take a couple $100 and try to make it into 1,000 in the coming weeks. It has been a rough road. As anyone knows who ever tried this with a small account, it is very difficult and very risky because you have to make the right call about every time or you can lose your account quickly. Last week I took a $400 something account, brought it down to $200 on a bunch of bad trades on trading the expiring options on SPY. So I tried to switch it up Friday and I got in long and bought a call in ATVI. So I bought that call somewhere in this area here. I'm not exactly what short, at 177, and I really liked what it was looking like because if you look at this daily, if you've been following along my technical analysis, I like to trade what I see, not what I hear, because media is always putting out news. Here we had a gap down, which I've been watching here. I was wanting to pull back, and sure enough, we got a good pullback, and on a downgrade that Bank of America gave it. Well, once again, I don't trade on noise. We trade on what we see. So I got in Friday on a call at 177, and today it looks like it's going to be heading back up. I mean, it's still very early. It seems like it wants to go cover this gap, but I was up this morning. I took profits off the table. It's only one call. Got in at 177 and sold this morning at 220. So all said, it's $42 minus my fees. So roughly around 28 bucks profit. Not a bad deal. $28 profit on $200. That is what, 10%. So actually a little bit more than 10%. That's pretty damn good for one day of trading. So as I was putting along, I went back to my baby on my trading vehicle on SPY accounts, and as you see, SPY is doing amazing things. I just had a strong push through 290 and still continued to move around. This morning we had a fall off as I was actually trading in ATVI, and once I came back to a SPY, I realized this thing, let me move out to the hourly and show you, this thing fell all the way down until this area here. You see how it kind of came in. I've got a line here. If I move in, see how when it touched this line, volume spiked. That means a bunch of buyers came in. Actually, if I even go to the minute, as this thing kind of touched, not a lot of volume, then it came back down. Volume poured in this area here, which tells me buyers were stepping in because you're getting this large pop of volume here on a down trim. And as you see, it did reverse. It got to the VWAP, consolidated, busted through, hit the 200 moving average here. And this is where I made my move this morning. I got an option at a 289.50 option, which expired today on this push down. I got in at 41 cents, and then it moved up. And as it got to the high of the day, I sold at 52 cents here. So in 3 minutes, I went from 41 cents to 52 cents on 5 calls. So that is, let's see, $55 minus my fees. So you're looking at $20, 55. So about 30 bucks, give or take $1, and plus the other $28 I made. So 30, 20, you're looking about $55 today profit on my $200 account. So even though last week was the beginning of a shitty week, I decided to shake it up Friday, and now I'm back in the SPYs today. So I'm done trading my small account today because my cash has been burned, and I'm having buyer's remorse or seller's remorse because if I'd have held on, the same option that I sold is currently sitting at 68 cents. So I could have got in at 41 here. I could sell exactly right now for 68 cents, which is huge profits, but it's all about having a plan and sticking to that plan, because many times I've gotten in here, this thing consolidated up, got to this high, got to this 200 moving average, and then collapsed. So once you have a plan, stick to it and trade smart. Guys, I hope you appreciate the fueling. Geez, I can't talk. If you have any questions or comments, please comment below. If you want to follow along with this small account challenge I'm trying to accomplish, because it is hard as hell, please subscribe. And also, if you like any of the technical analysis videos that I'm doing, please subscribe, because I try to get a couple out every day that I can. I do have a family and a day job, so I'm trying to do these and have a family. So I'll do as many as I can. If you see one that you want broken down, please comment below. Guys, I appreciate it, and have a wonderful Tuesday.